Hello, and welcome to this HIP tutorial. I will show you how to install and use HIP directly on your smartphone. The examples presented are fictional and illustrate only the features of HIP. First, open your browser and log into the HIP portal. Once logged in, tap Share, then Add to Home Screen. For Android, select Add to Home Screen in your browser. The HIP web app is now installed on your smartphone. You can open it. Visit our news section to stay informed about updates and improvements. Tap the Login button. After entering your credentials, you will be taken directly to your HIP dashboard. From the dashboard, you can see a summary of your activities. For example, your upcoming appointments, important information about HIP, and your latest invoices. You also have access to your agenda. You can edit and reschedule appointments, view your contacts and patient list with all administrative and medical information, tasks, message box, and your finances via the Finances tab. For more information about HIP's features, you can watch our other videos or consult our online help. The link can be found in the description. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, HIP is always with you, directly from your smartphone. See you in the next video.